YouTube? Welcome back to the channel, man. I'm talking to you. Welcome back to the channel. If you are new, go ahead and subscribe right now. Hit that button right now. I'm not playing with you. Hit the button right now. So, with that being said, y'all see something that we're going to Rock Baby video shoot in the Demon. So y'all see it outside. It's already started up, man. Let's go ahead and head over to the video shoot. Get this POV going for y'all. Let's do it. Y'all hear it. It's already started up. Y'all see the big Demon. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes I just be like, damn, like this car is so loud for no reason, but it is loud for a reason. It's 800 horsepower, like, you know what I'm saying? This is the Demon, fully wide body Demon. You know what I'm saying? So let's do it. Let's hop in. We at what, 11K miles? Let's hop in. Y'all see what we got going. Hold on, let's go to the page so y'all know what's going on. Yeah. So yeah, we finna go ahead and head out. Custom. We're gonna go ahead and head out, get y'all some POVs, and we're gonna pull up on bro, and then let's do it. All right, y'all, so we just gassed up the Demon. And yeah, man, we about 5 to 7 minutes away, so we finna go ahead and pull up and get y'all some POVs real quick. But yeah, we finna pull up right now. Yeah, I had to get some gas. Let's do it. Damn, this shit loud. I ain't gonna count. This is definitely the loudest car I've had, like, ever. I like that rap. That rap is hard. It's different, for real, for real. I ain't gonna keep it down. Alright. Deuce.
Goddamn Corey, bro. I'm going overly. I like my no. You sound like my
You can hoop.
Oh, I'm the best.
Behind the back.
Kyrie. Still cross, get up out of
Hey, is it? Oh, spin move.
I'm still here. No, bro.
You not there. Your ass on your butt.
Hold on. I'm gonna hit a nigga with that shit right there.
That shit tough.
Oh.
Come down.
Hey, let go. That's all I need right here. That's all I need. Swipe. Hell no.
Beat it.
How you gonna swipe and I ain't cross?
What you mean? You ain't see me drop. You went that way.
What is you swiping at? Air. Once you swipe, I'm
That was
at the
air.
basket.
Right here.
Once you swipe, I'm at the basket already. I'm already a late flow. A dunk time. Y'all wanna know I'm booming it beat.
I seen it.
I would. Hey. I might not be tomahawking it, but I going in.
I know Great can't dunk. You can dunk.
I got bad knees. I could do a little song. When? Today?
After this.
Don't say that. Cause I already. Wait. What time is over?
Shit.
Bro, all them niggas about to pull up though.
Who? Everybody?
Bro, Rex shit had the world outside, so they gonna come though.
And they gonna bring their ass to the gym.
Get the fuck out of here.
For real.
You gotta go get bottles up.
Bro, I ain't gonna lie.
Shut up, bitch. Keep texting me.
Bro, I had so much money. What's going on, loser?
Let me see how loud it is. Y'all see we on the west side of Atlanta right now. We got the tracks, the cats. We got a lot of shit out. What's up, my boy? Where you at? You? Oh, ho, ho. That boy done went kitty cat attack, man. Damn, that's hard. Congrats, bro. That's crazy. My boy just went cat from a scat, you know what I'm saying? From a scat to cat, you see what I'm saying? That what's up. That's crazy. I didn't even know that was you. What's up, man? You got a goddamn wide track. That's crazy. That boy put on no hood. No hood. No hood. It been cold. Here we go Z. Here we go Z, by the way. Yeah, that's hard. We on the west too. Free that boy Tree, man. The fast way. Then we go Daytona Rare Cat. Then we go Big Loud Scat. Then we go Triple Rare White Cat. You know what I'm saying? We doing all this shit on a light day. It's a Wednesday. We do all this on hump day. Then we go Big Pink Demon. You know what I'm saying? Wanna Demon. Yeah, we go AMG back there. He was cracking and popping in traffic. That shit was popping. Here we go Nissan GTR. In the car laughing.
I'm in the way.
Did we go Nissan GTR?
Yeah.
We go Nissan
Super
GTR,
truck.
by the way.
I need to get. Hey, I need to get out the way.
Nah, pop the hood and rev it.
This might be the fastest one. You really just.
Man, what? Let me hear the exhaust, Brian. Is the car on? I know that boy got a flame tune on there. He got a burble tune. But yeah, these boys pulled up to someplace. I don't know what it is. They said it's good. They eating. I ain't gonna eat it. They said it's a long way. Oh! One more. Oh my gosh. Bro, I didn't even see the fire.
Bro, let the fuck.
Crazy, man.
Yeah, this shit's spitting, bro.
Man,
This
what?
shit's spitting, boy.
What you got? 200 on deck?
What the hell we
220?
got? What the hell we here?
Yeah, we're here. Type shit. Alright, so we got Demon C8. You know, everybody out here, you know what I'm saying, parlaying it, kicking it. Feel me? Boy, got them cameras out. Them boys vlogging. Yeah, it crazy. Crazy ass lineup. Crazy ass lineup. Supra. You know what I'm saying? What else just pulled up? I think an SS just pulled up. Scatty. But yeah, so to be honest, I think we're gonna go ahead and take it in. Oh, it's for the people. We're gonna go ahead and take it in though. You know, everybody just chilling. It's a Wednesday, you know, it's a light day. I'm gonna be vlogging again tomorrow, so back to back. Appreciate that, sir.
You need to go at 822, bro.
Shit dirty.
You need to go back to your detailer, bro.
Man, what? ASAP. Daytona. Tony Cat. That boy got the eye on there. That demon's so crazy.
We never knew how else to talk.
I need this right here, Nico.
Huh? You need this?
I need this right here.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Bro, I have someone that does them.
Yeah,
You know the purple 300 cat that I slid? The purple and yellow one?
Oh, he got that. He does that?
Yeah, he be doing the RGB.
Oh, yeah. I need that. And he got on the hood.
How the hell he get up?
Yeah.
By himself. So I want to slide demons, so I'm not gonna lie.
Shit, you can slide mine. And Z. Huh?
At a legal pit.
Who?
At a legal pit.
Oh, yeah. For sure. Yeah. Let's do it. night, YouTube. So y'all see, man, we pretty much ending the night. I'm gonna go ahead and end this vlog right here, man. Y'all make sure y'all give this video a like, man. Subscribe to the channel, man. Like I said, back to back bangers. I'm not gonna stop. I'm really finna go crazy. We ain't got no gas. I'm at the gas station, but yeah. So y'all make sure y'all subscribe, man. We hopping out of the Pink Demon. That's another banger. We gonna go ahead and end this one, man. Post some road all on my damn hood. But yeah, this is it. Y'all make sure y'all subscribe to the channel, like I said, man. And I'm gonna catch y'all on the next vlog, man. Let's do it. See you all next time.